to keep my figure looking the way it does. Chick-fil-A. Oreos and Capri Sun. So as fruity as the video was, plump booties are fire because one, like, they're just fire. I like both. I like everything. I always had a big butt. It's pretty cute, in my opinion, to like what's next. So like once you see it from the front, like I'm not like a huge fan of guys who like hit and quit. So these pants are easy. They fit me, but sometimes I'll put on pants and they fit me, or I'm like I can't sit down. So shout out to all like the brands who make pants that are the actual correct measurements and whatnot for me. I'm not like selling myself. He eats the coochie, but in the ride he keeps that running. He keeps the car running. He wastes gas. I like guys who waste gas and battery in their car. So there you go. Oh, it looks like you take 45 minutes to put your pants on, girl. Damn. Damn, girl. Damn, you look good. You look uncomfortable, girl.